Excretion, the removal from the body of the waste products of metabolic pathways.
Osmoregulation is the control of the water balance of the blood, tissue, or cytoplasm of living organisms.
The urinary tract system. The kidney.
Blood is forced in the Bowman's capsule through the afferent arteriole.
Once in the glomerulus, high pressure forces out the components of the blood, forming a filtrate, which then travels to the proximal convoluted tubule.
In the proximal convoluted tubule, 90% of the filtrate is reabsorbed into the blood. Glucose, sodium, magnesium, potassium, and calcium are all reabsorbed through active transport. Chlorine is reabsorbed through passive transport, and water through osmosis.
The filtrate then moves to the loop of Henle, where reabsorption of water occurs in the descending limb. Salt is transported out of the filtrate in the ascending loop. This is to maintain the concentration gradient in the medulla.
From the loop of Henle, the filtrate travels to the distal convoluted tubule, where sodium, calcium, and chlorine are reabsorbed into the blood through active transport, while hydrogen, potassium, and toxins are secreted out of the blood and back into the filtrate.
The filtrate then moves into the collecting duct, where water is carried away by capillaries, thus maintaining a high interstitial gradient. The filtrate is now known as urine and moves to the renal pelvis, where it is then excreted out of the kidneys through the ureter.
The